Hi Indira, this is Yogesh here from CMTI Quality Department. Now I'm going to take your feedback. So first thing, congratulations on your placement at Puravankara.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, introduce about yourself.
Sir, this is Indiramma from Anantapur, currently staying in Bangalore. I am recently graduated with a degree in civil engineering at Srinivasa Institute of Technology, Anantapur. I am proficiented in interior design. I completed my interior course in CMTI and I
Okay.
have learned a lot of information.
How did you come to know about CMTI?
Sir, my HOD referred the CMTI course and all.
Okay. And how was the session and what was your learnings during your internship at CMTI?
Sir,
What
it's
things you learned?
Yes, sir, it's good, and it is a great experience to attending the CMTI coaching center, and I have learned a lot of information, and the faculty is also supportive, and they encourage me to get a job, uh, and also they give more information about the skills and all, and they are helped in academic and also the job.
Fantastic. And what about have you visited any site
Yes,
during
I visited a lot of site visits and factory visit, and IKEA, IBO, Infra Market, Homely, Imli, and is Pepper Fry, and one more site visit like factory visit, Glamwood. I visited, sir,
So what you have learned there?
and I learned what the types of materials like plywood, laminations, and how the work environment are going, and paintings and all. About the interiors, I learned, sir.
And what about the support from the trainer, coordinators, office staff, and HR also?
So they have fully supported me, sir. And I before that I am entering into the CMTA. I don't know how to mingle the how to contact or interact with the peoples. They learn a lot.
Fantastic. And actually, I came to know that this was your first interview and you cracked the interview.
Yes,
Congratulations.
yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, can you tell me about the interview preparation? How did you crack the interview? And before going the interview, what was your preparation? How did you prepare for that? And how did you crack the interview?
Before I'm going to the interview, my HR and my faculty members are call me, and they they support me how the interview will conducted, what the questions, what the job description, what's the role. They said all the things, and they help me uh, to learn and to crack the interview before the I'm going to the interview.
Now, finally, what you would like to tell to your juniors, students who wants to join CMTI?
So I refer all the my surrounding peoples who are interested in interior water construction, because the CMTA is the uh, platform for getting job, and how the job location and the job environment, and they will prepare a lot. They give more information about the interiors and jobs, and I definitely join the my peoples to the CMTA, sir.
Thank you very much. Finally, congratulations about getting placed at Puravankara. Wish you good luck for your future.
Thank you, sir.